Louis Lichtman had a bakery at 86th and Amsterdam. It smelled of rising bread at least a couple blocks away. For 40 years, a wedding cake of one kind or another would occupy the Lichtman's bakery window every day. Then the world turned from pastry and from challah and from cookies, from the independent merchant to the supermarket mall. And the rents were rising faster than the loaves that they were earned on. So the going out of business sign appeared on Lichtman's wall. The lights are out at Lichtman's now. The building's cold and empty with a cake stand in the window. Your credit's fine, no money down. And the Upper West Side doesn't smell as sweetly as it used to back when Lichtman's bakery graced our little town. Final day of business came, and with it Lichtman's regulars. They were paying their respects and drinking in the sad details. Mrs. Kaplan bought a dozen cakes, another 30 strudels, while the auctioneer prepared to start the sale. Some 60 other bakers bid on ovens and on boxes. There were mixers, there were shortening, there were bowls and there were pans. And the years were sifting through the racks at Louis Lichtman's bakery, like the flour and the sugar through his hands. The lights are out at Lichtman's now. The building's cold and empty with a cake stand in the window. The daily special sign fell down, and the Upper West Side doesn't smell as sweetly as it used to back when Lichtman's bakery graced our little town. Last of all the lots was sold, frosting tubes and freezer. Mr. Lichtman clutched his rolling pin and went to stand outside. He didn't want to watch the auctioneer conclude his business. He didn't want his friends to see him cry. A note left hanging on the wall. It said that Mrs. Rosenthal still owed him $7. That was a long, long time ago. And the ceiling fan once spinning round for one last time was slowing down as 40 years came turning to a close. The lights are out at Lichtman's now. The building's cold and empty. Mr. Lichtman moved to Jersey. The neighborhood has changed around, and the Upper West Side doesn't smell as sweetly as it used to back when Lichtman's bakery graced our little